Hi guys, this is Eunice with your herbal knowledge on a Wednesday. It is about 2 o'clock today, and we want to talk about cat claws. That's going to be the herb and topic for today. And this herb has a lot of great benefits and so far. So we're going to go ahead and get started. First of all, cat's claw is a plant. And the herbal medicine you can actually use with your pets as well. So keep that in mind when I give you the herbal knowledge about this herb and so forth, that you can use it on your pets. Okay, cat's claws is also great for, and I'm going to try to say this, arthritis, and I probably pronounced that wrong, but don't come at me with that one. Rheumatoid arthritis. It's also great for stomach ulcers. It's also great for the stomach lining, and so forth. It's also great for joint pain and swelling. Cat's claw is really one of those herbs that's been around for a long, long time. A lot of people don't even know about cat's claw and so forth. And we want to bring you that information in case this herb can help you with any of those symptoms and things like that. Okay, cat claw is also great for your large intestine, leaky bowels. It is also good for your small intestines. I did say the lining of your stomach and things like that. And it's also great for colitis. So cat claws has a lot to do, has a lot of benefits for your inner organs and things like that, especially when it comes to the swelling, the pain, the joint, the bowels and things like that, the intestines and so forth. It is really good for helping to repair these organs and so forth to help heal them and things like that. So it has, I said, been around a long, long time. A lot of people are not familiar with this here cat's claws and so forth. And for those who have arthritis and so forth, this is definitely something that you want to try. Rheumatoid arthritis and then arthritis and so forth is a couple of the most crippling arthritis and so forth that is in this country here. And so the thing of it is, these arthritis are also painful arthritis and things like that. So if this your cat's claws can help you with these, then it's definitely something that you want to talk to your doctor about. You want to seek out herbalists on that and so forth. You want to try to include this with your traditional medicine if it can help and all that. So arthritis is they say, get it right, research said they don't actually have a cure for arthritis and so forth, but there are treatments for arthritis. So, and this herbal medicine right here is part of that treatment for arthritis and so forth. It helps with aiding in arthritis. Okay, so, and it also helps with a lot of other um, issues as well. So again, before you do any herbal regimen, so for you want to seek a herbalist or a healthcare provider, because most people who have these symptoms here are already under a doctor care, most likely. And so far, this has been my experience. They are already under a doctor care. So therefore, you want to have this herbal medicine here um, researched and so far, along with the medicine that you're already taking. And again, I'm going to check over my notes real quick to make sure that I've given you everything that this cat's claws have and so far. Okay, again, it does. Oh, and I just caught a little glimpse of something, and this has nothing to do with the benefits and so forth. But it says cat claws was introduced in the U.S. for sales in 1997 and so forth. But cat's claws has been around a whole lot longer than 1997. But some of the herbal medicine and so far is strong and powerful and so forth. And some of it, is slowly getting to the U.S. or was slowly getting to the U.S. It's in the U.S. now, like says here it's been here since 1997. It was introduced into this country in 1997, but it has been used far longer than that and everything. And it's commonly used again for improving symptoms of the arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis. It's also used in various digestive systems, which I didn't mention that, but I did mention that it is great for the lining of the stomach. It is also great for joint pain, great for stomach ulcers, colitis, for the large intestines, and also the lower intestines. And it's also great for leaky bowels and so forth. A lot of people have these issues and so forth. These are a lot of common issues and so forth. You see all the time something about colitis and and things like that and everything. So these are common issues. A lot of people are suffering from these, and definitely a lot of people are suffering from arthritis and all that. And again, when you talk about arthritis and so forth, these some of these arthritis that you have. They have different names, different type of arthritis, and some of these arthritis are very painful and crippling. So if you can get help with any of the arthritis and so forth, it'll be a good, great improvement for your health. It's also used for hemorrhoids. I did not mention that. It's also good for hemorrhoids. Cat's claw is good for hemorrhoids. I did mention leaky bowels. It is good for the leaky bowel as well. So it is a great herb to have around the house, especially for now. Even though these are common issues, these are still serious issues in so far, and you can't take anything away from how serious this is. Arthritis, even though there is no cure, the treatments and so forth, things like that. Arthritis, again, has different categories and so forth, and then some of them are very crippling, and some of them are painful. So if you can get help with that and so forth, then it's best for you if you can't get any help with that to help lessen your pain and suffering regarding arthritis. Also, you have the stomach ulcer, the stomach lining. You have the leaky bowel, colitis. You have large intestine. When these things go, you have issues with these organs and so forth, these are serious issues and so forth. And although these herbal medicine can help, you should still seek a herbalist or a healthcare provider because you want to know what will this do with your traditional medicine that you're already taking. So that's one of the things I always say. You want to know how this herbal medicine will affect your traditional medicine. Because most people that have these issues are under doctor's care. So it also good for the hemorrhoids and the leaky bowels and all that. So these are some of the most serious issues that people have and can use cat's claws herbal medicine help. And cat's claw comes in herbal capsule. I don't think we have it as a tonic on our website, but we definitely do have it as a capsule and everything that you can take to help. I still would also seek, and if you don't want to seek a herbalist or healthcare provider, do your research and so forth on this medicine. Make sure that you're researching the medicine that you're taking. Make sure that you're researching cat's claw with further information than just the information that I just gave you and so forth, because you want to um, stay healthy. You want to stay well. You don't want to add to your issues and so forth. You want to reduce and come up with a solution to help you. So, I'm so happy to be here to give you all these herbal medicine and healthcare tips and whatever and so forth to bring these to you because we have been informed that these herbal medicine research studies have helped a lot of people, and we've been informed of these things. We had clients contact us and say how they started taking this medicine here, how much it's helped, and things like that. So we just want to get that medicine out. And also too, when you are talking to your doctor or and all that and so far, you want to always keep it in your mind that your health is your number one priority. And so forth, even though it should be your doctor's number one priority as well, it always don't work out that way. So it has to be your number one priority to stay healthy, to be healthy, to get well, and all that. So when you are ill for any reason and so forth, do your research and so forth before you even go to your doctor. Do your research so you can have a conversation with your doctor and things like that. Because the more you know about your illness and so forth, the better you are, better you're going to be, the better conversation you're going to have with your doctor and things like that. And you can bring up these herbs and so forth. You know, I researched this herb here, and it says it's good for this and it's good for that and so forth. Can I take, can I use this herb with this medicine and things like that and so forth? Most likely the doctors are not going to agree with, you taking a substitute medicine for what he's giving you medicine for. But again, I mean, this is something that you have to make that decision on, and you need to do your research and so forth on that. And again, I'm happy to bring you this information so that you can have this information to be better informed on your health. So I'll see you next time on Herbal Knowledge. So this is Eunice from Shaw Herbal Medicine. See you next Wednesday. Bye.